In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a weekly planner in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable checklist for each day of the week that's easy to update and reuse. Start by laying out the days so your planner has a clear rhythm. Click into cell A1 and type the first day. Then skip a column and continue across the sheet by placing the rest of your days in C1, E1, G1, and I1. Leaving a blank column between each day is intentional. It gives each task its own checkbox column, which keeps things tidy and prevents accidental edits. Under each day's header, type your tasks in a simple list. You might add items like check emails, workout, or plan tomorrow. Keep your lists consistent across the days if you want an even grid, but feel free to tailor each column to what that day requires. Next, add the checkboxes that make your planner interactive. Highlight the empty column next to your tasks for each day, such as B2 through B6, D2 through D6, and so on for the remaining days. You can select one range at a time, or hold Control or Command to select multiple ranges before applying the same change. With those empty cells selected, go to the Insert menu and choose Checkbox. Instantly, each task gets a clickable box. A quick pro tip: placing checkboxes in their own column keeps your text safe. Clicking a checkbox won't overwrite or delete your task descriptions, so you can check and uncheck without worry. To give it a polished planner feel, let's tighten up the checkbox columns. Click the headers for columns B, D, H, and J, and double-click them to auto-resize. They'll become narrow, so the checkbox sits right up against each task, which saves space and makes everything easier to scan at a glance. Finally, add a touch of design for readability. Select your entire planner area, including the days, tasks, and checkbox columns. Go to Format, choose alternating colors, and pick a style that suits your taste. Alternating row shades help your eyes track across the sheet, and a subtle color palette gives it a professional look you'll enjoy using every day. That's it. You now have a weekly planner you can update in seconds. Type tasks, check them off as you go, and uncheck them when you're ready for a fresh week. Customize the task list to match your routine, and enjoy a simple, reliable system that keeps you organized right inside Google Sheets.